Welcome to Pulse and Pick, your ultimate destination for honest and reliable product reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best dash cams with parking mode 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The REDTIGER F17 4K 3CH dash cam is a powerful all-in-one driving security solution designed to capture clear footage from multiple angles. With 4K front recording and additional cabin and rear cameras, it provides comprehensive coverage for everyday driving, road trips, and rideshare use. The high-resolution front camera helps capture important details, while the interior camera records activity inside the vehicle and the rear camera monitors traffic behind you. Features such as wide-angle coverage, loop recording, parking monitoring, and built-in connectivity add extra convenience and security. Its compact design fits neatly inside most vehicles without obstructing the driver's view. Whether you want added protection against accidents, help documenting incidents, or peace of mind while your car is parked, the REDTIGER F17 offers reliable 3-channel recording in one convenient package. It is an excellent choice for drivers seeking enhanced visibility, dependable recording, and comprehensive vehicle surveillance on every journey. Number 2. The iiwey N6 4-channel dash cam is designed to provide complete protection and reliable recording from multiple angles. With 4 cameras working together, it can capture the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle, helping create a more complete view of what happens on the road and around your car. This makes it a practical choice for daily driving, rideshare use, parking security, and accident evidence. The dash cam offers clear video recording, while its wide-angle coverage helps reduce blind spots. Features such as loop recording allow continuous recording by automatically replacing older footage when storage becomes full. Parking monitoring can also provide added peace of mind when the vehicle is unattended. Its compact design makes installation convenient without taking up too much windshield space. Overall, the iiwey N6 4-channel dash cam is a versatile security solution for drivers who want broader coverage and extra confidence behind the wheel. Number 3. Antrue N2X 2.7K Dash Cam. The Antrue N2X 2.7K dash cam is a versatile dual camera solution designed to provide reliable recording for both the road and the vehicle interior. Its high-resolution front camera captures clear driving footage, helping preserve important details such as vehicles, road conditions, and unexpected incidents. The interior camera adds extra security, making it especially useful for rideshare drivers, families, and anyone who wants additional protection inside the cabin. With features such as wide-angle recording, infrared night vision, loop recording, and parking monitoring, the N2X is built for around-the-clock surveillance. Its compact design allows it to fit neatly on the windshield without blocking the driver's view. When paired with a compatible memory card, the camera continuously records and automatically overwrites older footage when storage becomes full. The Antrue N2X offers dependable video coverage, practical safety features, and peace of mind for everyday driving and long road trips. Number 4. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is a reliable solution for drivers who want complete protection and clear video evidence on the road. Featuring high-resolution front and rear recording, this dash cam captures important details such as license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic. Its wide-angle lenses provide broader coverage, helping reduce blind spots and record incidents from multiple directions. The built-in Wi-Fi allows users to connect the camera to a compatible smartphone for easy video viewing, downloading, and sharing through the dedicated app. GPS functionality can also record driving routes and speed information, adding valuable context to recorded footage. With loop recording, the camera automatically overwrites older files when storage becomes full, while the G sensor helps protect important recordings during sudden impacts. Easy to install and designed for everyday driving, the ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is an excellent choice for commuters, travelers, and anyone seeking extra security, convenience, and peace of mind. Number 5. The AZDOME M550 Max 4K 3-channel dash cam is a powerful all-in-one vehicle security solution designed to capture every important moment on the road. Featuring a high-resolution front camera along with interior and rear cameras, it provides comprehensive coverage for daily driving, parking, and unexpected incidents. The 4K front recording delivers clear footage with detailed visuals, while the additional cameras help monitor passengers and activity behind your vehicle. Advanced features such as night vision, loop recording, G-sensor technology, parking monitoring, and built-in GPS support enhance its practicality and security. Its wide-angle lenses help reduce blind spots and capture more of the surrounding environment. The M550 Max is ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, families, and anyone seeking reliable protection on the road. With its versatile 3-channel recording system and user-friendly design, this dash cam offers dependable surveillance and valuable evidence whenever you need it.